Robots are here to help, working together with machines. Remember those movies where robots took over all the jobs? Well, things are turning out a bit different. Today, robots are becoming our co-workers, helping us out at work instead of replacing us. This is called Human-Robot Collaboration, or HRC for short. It's like having a super strong, super precise teammate who never gets tired. So how exactly are these super-powered robots helping us? Here's a closer look. Seeing the unseen. Imagine robots with special cameras that can see way more than our eyes can. These super sight cameras, along with clever computers, help robots recognize objects, people, and even our hand gestures. This lets them work safely alongside us and understand what we need them to do. It's like having a teammate who can always see what's going on, even around corners. Learning on the fly. No more following the same old instructions. These days, robots are like super students who can learn and adapt from experience. They can handle different situations, work with new materials, and even adjust to how you like to work. Imagine a teammate who can learn your favorite way to do things and adjust their actions accordingly. Pretty cool, right? This teamwork between humans and robots is making a big difference in many places. Here are some examples. Factory whiz kids. In factories, robots can take care of the repetitive and sometimes dangerous tasks, like lifting heavy boxes or welding parts together. This frees us up to focus on more interesting things like making sure everything is built perfectly or coming up with new ideas to improve the machines. It's like having a super strong teammate who can handle the heavy lifting so we can focus on the creative stuff. Warehouse whizzes. Imagine a warehouse filled with robots zipping around shelves, grabbing the exact items you need at lightning speed. These robots can handle heavy loads and navigate tight spaces with ease, while we can oversee everything and make sure the right orders go out to the customers. It's like having a super speedy teammate who can find anything you need in a flash. Hospital heroes. In hospitals, robots can be super precise assistants during surgery, helping doctors with delicate procedures. These robotic helpers can hold instruments steady or even stitch up tiny wounds with incredible accuracy. This means faster healing times for patients and less stress for the doctors. It's like having a super careful teammate who can lend a hand or arm during critical operations. Of course, with all this new tech, there are some things to keep in mind. New skills, new jobs. As some tasks get automated with robots, new jobs will pop up to create these robots, keep them running smoothly, and figure out how to work with them best. We'll all need to learn new skills to keep up with this exciting change. It's like learning a new game. There might be new rules, but it can still be a lot of fun. Robots be nice! We need to make sure robots are built to work safely and fairly with everyone. No one wants a robot boss who makes bad decisions or a robot teammate who doesn't listen. Just like with any teammate, robots need to be programmed to be helpful and respectful. Humans rule! Even with robots around, the things that make us special, like creativity, problem-solving, and caring for others, will always be important. The future belongs to both humans and robots working together as a team. Think of it like this. Robots can be amazing teammates, but they can't replace the unique skills and ideas that humans bring to the table. The world of work is changing, but it's changing for the better. With robots as our co-workers, we can create a future where things are safer, more efficient, and even more fun. Imagine a workplace where robots handle the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, while humans focus on the creative problem-solving and teamwork. This collaboration between humans and robots has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our lives in countless ways. It's an exciting time to be alive, and the future of work looks brighter than ever with robots by our side. Subscribe for more. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest videos about the future of work and technology. Leave a comment below. What are your thoughts on robots working alongside humans? Share your ideas in the comments below.